Welcome to the Expert in You podcast, the show for professional entrepreneurs, experts, authors, speakers, coaches, and consultants who are ready to elevate their business, expand their influence, and boost their bank accounts. Join us as we dive deep with industry-leading experts who share their top strategies, invaluable insights, practical tips, and personal experiences to help you achieve extraordinary growth and success. Whether you're looking to sharpen your skills, stay ahead of the curve, or find that competitive edge, this podcast is your ultimate resource for unlocking your full potential. So tune in, get inspired, grab your coffee, and let's unlock the expert in you. Are you a great coach, consultant, or professional entrepreneur who wants to make more sales? You want to really grow your business, but maybe you're not converting clients the way you would like to. I want to share with you 4 things you can look at so you can start making more sales in your business. Now, before I jump into the 4 areas that I want to cover, the gaps that you maybe need to close in your business to make more sales, I just want to encourage you and remind you to keep your eye on the revenue ball. Every day you should be doing revenue generating activities. And this means if the sales are going to grow, then you have to keep your eye focused on sales. So often we get stuck in the daily grind, in the weeds, in the minutia in our business. And then all of a sudden our business isn't growing. So first and foremost, make sure that you keep your eye on the revenue ball and don't get sidetracked. And then the other side of that is make sure you take good care of your customers and your clients when you do get them into your business. This is crucial. All right, so what are the 4 things if you want to make more sales? The first thing is, how often are you making offers? I see so many people that say, I want to grow my business, but I'll go and look at their content. I'll look at what they're doing online. I'll have conversations with them. And I find out they're really just not even asking. They're not making offers. So you need to make more offers. You should be consistently making offers in your business, either an offer to invite somebody into something where you can share value or an offer to actually close a sale. But if you're not making enough offers, you're not going to get enough business. So first and foremost, make more offers. How often are you doing this? I bet if you went and looked at the last 2 or 3 weeks, or maybe even a month, if you counted up how many times you actually ask people to take that next step with you, you'll find it's not as many as you think. Or how many times have you posted or made any kind of offer online to get people to actually take that next step with you? I bet you'll find it's not as many as you think. So make more offers. All right. Number 2 is make sure you're in front of the right people. Look, if you're in front of the wrong people, good luck closing sales. And this means you need a great qualifying process. So often people are in front of people that aren't decision makers. Well, good luck with that. Or they're in front of people that don't have the financial resources. Good luck with that, right? So you need to make sure that you are in front of qualified buyers. When you are in front of qualified buyers and you've done some of the other things that I'm going to talk about, then you will be able to close more sales. So have a qualifying process of some kind in place in your business. I recommend an application process if you are selling professional services or you're a coach or a consultant, an industry expert, but you can also do a quick qualifying call. So there's a lot of different ways you can put a qualifying process in place in your business, but you need a qualifying process. And here's the other thing. If you're trying to sell yourself as a more premium entrepreneur, which is what I help people do, is to get better clients, get those bigger clients, then when you have a qualifying process in place and you don't look like you take everyone if they're breathing, then it actually sets you apart in the industry and it makes you look like more of a pro and more of an expert. So have a qualifying process in place. All right. Number 3 is make sure you have a great influence system in place. And an influence system is sort of the outside perception people have of you and what you do and your brand and your expertise. It should include social proof. If people Google you, what will they see? Are they going to see that you're credible, that you're exceptional at what you do, that you're doing big things, that you're the go-to person? If you don't have this in place, you're making your sales process harder because now You haven't broken down those barriers. You haven't built the know, like, and trust. And so when people come to you, they're probably going to be more skeptical or they don't know about you. And this makes for a very difficult sales conversation. In fact, you'll probably end up having to convince or overcome a lot of objections, and that doesn't make for a good client relationship. So if you want to close more sales, build up that influence system. Take the time and put in the work to continue to build that influence engine. And when you do this, it will practically pre-sell people before they ever decide to book on your calendar. This means you're going to close a lot more sales. Hi, friend. I have an exciting announcement. I hope you're enjoying this episode of Expert in You podcast, but I have to ask you, have you checked out the latest issue of Expert in You magazine yet? It's jam-packed with rich content, powerful strategies, inspiring stories, and so much more to help you elevate your business and personal growth. Don't miss out. Go grab your digital copy now and join our community of experts making a difference every day. Go to expertinyoumagazine.com and check out your digital copy today. Transform your expertise into success with Expert in You magazine. It's not just a publication, it is a movement. All right, number 4 is have more offers. And what I mean by that is have multiple ways people can buy from you, but always sell the top thing first. Now, I just want to say, don't sell people things they don't need. But if you're really positioned well in the market, you're influencing the right people coming to you, you should be able to offer the big thing, the big transformation, the big result, the big outcome that you can provide to those people. And then if they cannot buy that or invest in that, or they don't even feel like they need all of that, then you can downsell. This is a much easier sales conversation, to be able to downsell people into something versus upsell. If you can make something happen for someone that they need, and you can always find a way to fit that into their financial means, you can close most sales. Now, that being said, that doesn't mean you're cutting prices. It doesn't mean you're doing that quick race to the bottom, right? To sell yourself for nothing. That's not what I'm talking about here. You do have to establish your floor. What is your floor? Your pricing floor. What is the least amount of money you are going to take from a client, from a customer, and what does that offer look like? And I always recommend that that should be at the higher end and not the lower end. Now, the lower end would be like, go get my book, right? And so that doesn't mean I have to do anything. I can just send them to Amazon or my website to get my book. But raise the floor. So what is the rock bottom offer that you have that you could sell to someone? This might be an hour with you. And again, don't sell an hour if it's not going to help them. That's not a good way to do business. But when you have multiple offers and ways that people can work with you, you're going to close more sales. So have more offers. Don't just make more offers, but have more offers. So when people come to me, they can work with me privately. I can work with them in a VIP day. I can work with them for 30 days or 60 days or 90 days or a year. It depends on what they need and what they're looking for. So there's all these different ways, but they can also come into my mastermind. So there are lots of options for people when they come to work with me, and there should be for you too. Don't get so stuck on one offer. Now, your core business should be the same, but you should have multiple ways that people can work with you, different tiers and levels of your services so that you can close most people. All right, I hope you found this valuable. By the way, if you're looking to actually pull people into your ecosystem and convert more people, then I want to talk to you about a 2-day virtual workshop I have coming up, where I want to show you how to grow and scale your business faster and generate rapid revenue month after month with virtual events. It's about stepping into the expert spotlight, running VIP virtual events that can bring you business like clockwork. If you're interested in getting into that workshop, you can go to expertinyouworkshop.com and register to attend if it looks like it's a fit. All right, you have an amazing day. God bless you. Bye-bye. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're as excited as I am about scaling up your influence, business, and bank account, then I have just the thing for you. But first, make sure you subscribe to the show. Second, make sure you share it with someone you care about, because sharing is caring. And third, head on over to join me in my next free virtual exclusive workshop, where we'll explore proven strategies to boost your business and maximize your potential. Look, it doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you're looking to take your business to the next level, my workshops are designed for you. So head on over to expertinyouworkshop.com to reserve your spot and get ready to transform your expertise into extraordinary success. I'm looking forward to seeing you there and helping you achieve incredible growth. Until next time, make sure you're always seeking the expert in you, and God bless. Have an amazing day.